We initiated the Rule of Law Collaborative in 2009. It is housed within the College of Arts and Sciences. I think because rule of law and promoting rule of law in societies really is in part a political science venture, building institutions like judicial systems and police and governing institutions, but also when you're dealing with promoting rule of law and human rights and justice in various countries of the world, it's deeply embedded in the culture and the history of those countries. And so in the College of Arts and Sciences, we have people in anthropology, in history, in religious studies, in political science that are all crucial for understanding what it takes to make a justice system work in various countries. We tend to focus mostly on what we refer to as transitional countries, countries coming out of dictatorship or countries transitioning out of violent civil conflict. And so I was trained as a Soviet specialist and spent my entire career working on legal reform in the Soviet Union, and then after the collapse of the Soviet Union, all of the countries that emerged from that. But we have other people working on the Rule of Law Collaborative that focus on Sierra Leone and the post-conflict resolutions there. We have people working in Rwanda, Uganda, and of course Afghanistan and Iraq. We have a large contract with the U.S. Department of Defense for training U.S. government officials from various agencies, not just DOD, but also Justice, State Department, USAID, people going to Iraq and Afghanistan to try to assist with building legal systems in those countries. We see it as a much larger society-wide endeavor to build human rights and legal systems that operate in countries. It's not just about building police stations and courthouses.
I have gained a better understanding of how to do high-quality academic research, and that has been immensely valuable. And from the Rule of Law Collaborative, I've had the opportunity to interact on a regular basis with policymakers and members of the U.S. government bureaucracies. And this has been really helpful for me as I think about my work and how to ensure that my work has some sort of real-world application.
Under this big umbrella of rule of law, there's a whole range of very difficult issues to address. But we have faculty in arts and sciences that on each one of those issues are experts and can bring best practices to bear in offering advice and counsel to people.
This is the College of Arts and Sciences of the University of South Carolina.